yesterday morning, they let me know you were gone. Susan, the plans they made putting into you. I walked out this morning and I wrote down this song. I just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times that I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Won't you look down upon me, Jesus? You got to help me make a stand. Got to see me through another day. My body is aching and my time is at hand. I wanna make it any other way. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you again. Been walking my mind to an evening time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows when the cold wind blows, it will turn your head around. Well, there's hours of time on the telephone line. You talk about things to come, sweet dreams and flying machines and pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain, I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times when I could not find a friend, but I always thought that I'd see you, baby, one more time again. Thought I'd see you one more time again. There's just a few things coming my way this time around. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you firing. Thought I'd see you, thought I'd see you firing. Thank you. All right, let's get up back to time to put this all together.